Just to follow up to show you, I was able to repair the previously cracked doodads from the last video. I took some of the broken bits of the dried clay and put it in water and made kind of a, what's called slip, but it's more of a paste or mud. And I was able to fill the cracks, and it dried pretty quickly, and then I did some treatments on it, so I just wanted to show you how they turned out. And I don't know, maybe I'll do another, yeah, probably the next video, or one of the next videos will be making like a, I don't know, sun catcher or something, I don't know. But this one came out kind of cool. I don't know if you can see, let's see, it's a fish. And it's got no-hole beads sprinkled around, and then of course glitter on the back. I just painted this with craft paint, and then did a little highlighting, and then resin. So it's kind of flashing out a little, I think. The last video I didn't use my ring light, so this, I have a ring light on right now, so it's kind of, but look at, I think that might be cool in the sun. This is the mermaid door. And I'm thinking pearls, little pearls hanging from there. That's the front. That's the back. That's embossing powder on there. I don't even know how many layers of paint and stuff I put on there. I started with gold acrylic paint, and then I did some of the Inca gold, and then I went with the embossing powder and resin. Same story here. No embossing powder though. Just cool. And this one, I put glitter in the resin on the back, and you can see it in the front. I think it'll be pretty in the sun. It'll be a true test. This is pretty beefy, so see how the clay holds. And then this disaster from beginning to end, but I just you know, when all else fails, throw glitter at it. The back's kind of cool, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, that's just that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you've tried. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.